Abaya in Somali technically means beloved sister and somebody who's favored, but at the same time, to me, it means a badass woman who breaks heaven and earth to protect her loved ones. And Abaya is one of my favorite words. Yeah. So the story behind this poem again is so I've recently met somebody who's from the north of Somalia where they don't really use the word Abaya, but then he started using it and it was really nice. So this is how the poem goes. Now, he knows more about me, the buttons to push, when to crack my knuckles, sorry about your ears. Now he knows where my feet kisses, how my fingertips quiver in the cold, the size of the beauty mark below my eyes. Now he knows where my laughter rises from, the valley where my fee was birthed, where my doubts spring like the Zamzam water. Now he had seen me doze off, wear the night like a wedding gown, let go of the world and its worries. Now he had roamed inside my thoughts, watched me put the broken parts of me into a perfectly broken up poem. Now he calls me a bio, my world turns upside down, the grin on my face shouts, I'm just a child with an enormous feet, and words make up my world. Thank you.